Good morning, students. Welcome back to your GK class. Today, you will learn a new topic about our country. So, first, all of you take out your GK book, page number 13. Now, put classwork and today's date here. Now, today, we are going to start our new topic about our country. So, in the previous class, already you learnt about this national emblem, national animal, national flower, national bird. So, these all are very important things for our country. And these three persons also a very important person for our country. Today, we will identify the pictures. So, the first picture. Who is he? Can you tell me? He was a freedom fighter and his name is Mahatma Gandhi. His name is Mahatma Gandhi. So you have to write his name here. M-A-H-A-T-M-A-Ma Mahatma G-A-N Gan D-H-I-V Gandhi Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is called Father of Nation. Mahatma Gandhi is also called Father of Nation. Now, do you recognize this picture, children? Yes, this is our national emblem. And the name of our national emblem is Ashoka Pillar. So, this is a picture of our national emblem. N-A-T-I-O-N-A-L National E-M-B-L-E-M Emblem National Emblem. And in the previous class, I taught you the name of our national emblem is Ashoka Pillar. Now, who is he? He is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was he? He was our first Prime Minister of India. He was our first Prime Minister. Okay? Prime Minister means a leader of all the ministers. So he was the first Prime Minister of India and his name is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. P-A-N-D-I-T Pandit J-A-W-A Jawa H-A-R Har Jawahar L-A-L-Lal Jawaharlal N-E-H-R-U Nehru Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. When you will write a name of a person, his name first letter and the surname's first letter will be the capital letter. Don't forget it. Now, do you recognize this picture? Yes, this is a picture of our national animal. And our national animal name is tiger. So, T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Now, who is he? He is a great poet of our country. He is a great poet of our country. And his name is Rabindranath Tagore. R-A-B-I-N-D-R-A Rabindra N-A-T-H Nath Rabindranath Tagore T-A-G-O-R-E Tagore Rabindranath Tagore. He wrote so many poems and novels etc. So he was a famous poet or writer of our country, and his name is Rabindranath Tagore. Do you recognize this picture? This is a picture of our national flower. And what is the name of our national flower? Lotus. So Lotus, us, lotus. Now, the next picture is a rupee, 10 rupee note. RUPEE, rupee. We use this rupee to purchase something or to buy something. So, RUPEE, rupee. And this is our national bird. And the name of our national bird is PEACOCK, cock, peacock. So, these all are very famous for our country. So, today till this much. But children, you have to learn all the spellings because the spellings are very hard for you. So, this weekend you learn all the spellings, and next day I will give you some question answer on our topic, our country. So till then, bye bye.